Hello again. It has been an absolute crazy week, but also a good one. The kids are healthy and back in school, and we got a lot of stuff done. And it started on Sunday with something that we had to postpone because of the sickness, the birthday party of our youngest daughter with her French friends, which was really cool to have kids in the garden, to enjoy a bonfire, just have them play around and just seeing that the kids are having fun. So that was a good start to the week, so to say. On Monday, it was time for us to look at the kitchen and see if our workaways could do some of the plastering. My wife taught them how to do that, and they then went away Tuesday and Wednesday and then continued working on these walls the next day, and will do so for a while. But it's a work where you really need to get into it, and so we thought it's good. They're here still 2 weeks. It's good if they get into it and can do this while we're working on the bathroom, because we can't work on the bathroom with 4 people. So that was Monday. On Tuesday, it was time to tear down the bathroom. We started by taking out all the appliances. That was already a lot of work, and then we hammered down the walls, the inside walls, which was a lot of fun, but also really exhausting. And it took us almost all day Tuesday, and then we had to do some other things. On Wednesday, first we had to get the trailer empty, so we went to what's called the déchetterie, and they're only open on Wednesday, Saturday and Monday, I think. So we had to take the chance, and we went there to get rid of our styrofoam. And then went back, and then basically all day loaded these stone pieces into an IKEA bag and carried it to the trailer and emptied it there. There wasn't really a better way to do it, because with the wheelbarrow you can't get up the stairs and down the stairs in the house. So once you had it in the bag, it was easier to just carry it all the way to the trailer. We went to the déchetterie, and in the morning we had already asked where to put the stuff. So he told us stones go there. And we went there, and we were almost ready to empty the whole trailer when the guy came and put a stop to us. And he said that this is a special kind of plaster stone where we have to empty it into another container. And that was really stressful, because we were on a tight schedule and thought we could just empty it out, and then we had to carry every single stone and throw it into this container, which was really a lot of work. On Thursday, I had a look at the room and look at the floor. And we had originally planned to use maybe this floor that was in there and run pipes on the floor that's beneath it. So there's about 10 centimeters where they had the old sewage system. And we thought that we would do that again. But then changed our minds, because basically it has 2 really big advantages if we run the sewage under the ceiling. One is that it's much easier to access in the future, and the other one is that we gain 10 centimeters in the bathroom, which is nice because it's under the roof. So that meant more ripping out. So I ripped out all the stuff, and my wife carried it down and to the garden where we put it, because we couldn't put everything on the trailer. And that took all day and was super exhausting. We were really couldn't do anything anymore when we were finished. But then when it was empty, I took the time and drew out all the interior design for the bathroom to have a look at what it was like. Yeah, I'll quickly go through this with you. So when you come into the bathroom, there's going to be a door here, and then a sink, and next to the toilet. And then here in the back, because we don't have much height, we can't use the room for much, so we decided to put a bathtub here. We might not use it that much, but it's nice to have it. Here in the corner, we'll have a shower. It's gonna be a walk-in shower, where you have a big glass here, and then you walk around it, and you go in, and you can use the shower. And then that way we don't have any moving parts, which I think is good, especially when they're with water all the time. So then Friday was the day where we had to get new stuff for the bathroom. But before we did that, I quickly took out one part of the ceiling that was really soaking wet. I almost stepped through it and landed in the kitchen actually. I did a quick repair on that. We're gonna hide everything with a new ceiling underneath when we change the kitchen to another bathroom. But for now, it just looks like it looks. And then my wife and I went to the big market for like, I don't know what you call it, Home Depot. Yeah, it took us 2-3 hours there to get everything for the bathroom. There's a couple of things that we have to order, but we got most of the material. And then got home and unloaded everything. And that was the Friday. And on Saturday, on Friday night, actually, 2 of our friends came, which is super cool. They just saw that we were in need of help. Asked if they could come, and took the night train and then the speedy TGV from Paris, and arrived Friday afternoon. Went shopping for us and then just helped. I'm gonna be here for a week. And these two, together with our workaways, then spent the Saturday bringing all the rubbish and the material that we had got out of the bathroom to the waste disposal site. I think they did 4 rounds. It's really, really nice now. The garage behind me is emptied of all the trash that has been there for a long time, like stuff that was still there from the former owners, like an old washing machine, microwave, and things like that. While they were doing these trips with the trailer, I worked on the room, and the first thing I did was to put up new plasterboard on the walls so that we have a nice surface to work on when tiling or painting. That took all morning until the early afternoon. And then together with my son, who wanted to help, I leveled out the floor. So we put some wooden pieces in the spots where the beams are underneath. And then when that was done, about an hour or 2 ago, I decided to at least put in 2-3 of the OSB board, oriented strand boards, that will make up the foundation for the new floor. So it was a super busy week, but also one which gave us a feeling that, at least we're getting somewhere. The kids and ourselves, we are healthier. Yesterday evening, actually, we went to the beach and were surfing, even though it was only 20 minutes because the kids have school so long. It was absolutely fantastic to be in the ocean again, even though it was very cold and very choppy waves, but it was just nice to have that experience. One more thing. When we opened the old ceiling, we found this message from the former owners. I'll show it to you here, and you can see if you can find out what it means and put it in the comments. And also we thought that would be nice if we continue this tradition and we put a little message in the floor. So if you're looking at this, say Sunday or Monday, feel free to make a suggestion on what kind of message we should leave those people that hopefully in many, many years first will open this floor again. Okay, I'm going back inside. I still have to go shopping with my daughter for some school stuff that she needs and then cut this video. It'll be a very rough cut, I'm sorry, but I still hope you enjoyed it. Remember to comment about the message we got, and I really hope you have a good time, that you're healthy and happy, and see you next week. Bye bye.